Hello and welcome to Social Well. Today I will react to Jessica Chung's new comeback called Beep Beep. So let's go in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's been a long time. Ooh, kinda has a retro sound to it. Okay, it's an English song. She still has that very soft and light voice. You know it's her right away. I wasn't sure what type of music it would be. Ooh, love that transition. I'm glad that she still wants to make music. And I know she talked about releasing a new album. And I see she took her time. Ooh. I actually thought it would be a ballad, but this is a catchy fun song. Even has a bit of a choreo. Beep beep, Jessica. Well, that was fun. And yes, I know there's a there's a Girls' Generation song called Beep Beep as well. But yeah, it was fun. It was. Sometimes it's good to just have some fun with music. It doesn't always have to be deep and emotional. Sometimes it's just have fun with it. I can't remember. I think it's been like 3 years since she mentioned she would release a new album. So, and I think this is a mini album, but I'm not entirely sure. So yeah, it's fun to see her that she keeps at least the musical side alive in some ways. I will say one thing about the music video. They could have put a bit more production value into it. And I'm not talking about huge, like it had to be lots of CGI or anything like that. A bit more elaborated stages perhaps, or something. It was a bit on the repetitive side. That's the only thing I would say as a negative. But overall, fun song. And yeah, I hope you enjoy my reaction to it. As always, please hit that like button. Please comment below if you have. Please subscribe and have a great day. See you soon.